That's a little shy one, huh? It almost knows that we got the camera on it.
Right?
It's like, come on, little guy or gal, come on. Aw.
Doesn't want to become famous.
No.
That one dog that I was following is gonna get some good.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
I think I could have made it if I would have.
The guy who spec my cams, he's like, you should probably run 410s, but you can get away with 373s as smooth as you can.
Cars that aren't in the show. There you go. And this thing's the bomb.
They have the road. They do.
It's cars that aren't in the show, guys.
I tell you to sit back in that seat. Sit back in that seat, you know. I said, all right, sit in that
where'd
seat.
the engine
Jump
go?
in there. I'm peeling into the seat.
No, that's about as nice a square body as you're gonna get, okay? Yeah. This must be
50,000.
yeah, 50,000.
Pretty.
Mr. Square Body. I like this one. 69. This must be from Gateway or somewhere. Those are rides for sale. Whew.
Stand there and I'll take your picture, Mike.
This is a little bit of that better, ain't it, Kay, getting down? Because you are beat. Yes.
That is the one.
Yeah, that's a neighbor. See, it's a park permit 91. And this, I think, was at the park too, maybe. Harrison, Michigan. I've seen that there. I think I filmed it.
We were talking about getting parts from different places.
Yeah.
That's a pretty vetted modern one, but still real pretty. Slick. How about this? This is about as nice as you're gonna get this year of Trans Am, an 80. DeWitt. Wow, that thing is really pretty. What's it say on it? Henriette? ETA is something. It's pretty slick. Yeah, that's a pretty vet too. Oh boy. Then you got this. This is a bad boy. There's racing meats on it. Yeah. That dog's going with us, it looks like.
Maybe a famous film.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. Okay.
Yeah, I got that dog so many times.
I know. Yeah. Whew. Wisconsin Rod and Custom. That's pretty cool. Look at this bad boy. Oh. Excellent. Yeah.
Nope, I didn't bring
How about that little bronchoitis?
here in my yucca.
Bronc. The old, you got the old bronc.
Huh?
06. Cold water. I'll never forget, me and Grandma went on a hill that was higher than that. We had to ride the brake all the way. We lost our shoe basically, you know what I mean, our brake shoe. We had to ride the brake. That was a noise maker last night. That thing was loud. Yeah, real nice. I got that little pooch in the thing. Grand Rapids, that thing's restoed. I think it's fluffy.